Alright, so here it is. All the way from China. There's my drone. Let's see here. But it has an address of Ontario, Canada. Interesting. So let's see what we get. It's supposed to be getting another battery too, so I'll get that soon and I'll have to order an extra battery. What's this? They threw in a converter, so evidently the one they sent me is not the American charger. So let me see what they did that. Looks like it was tossed in at the last second here. There we go. It's supposed to have been the black one. You guys better not have sent me the blue. I ordered the black. Here it is. Nonetheless. Alright, this is my first drone. So we'll see how this works out. The box is pretty beat up. This better be the black one. I'm not going to be happy. Alright, it is the black one. I don't have the extra battery that I ordered yet. Here it is. I'm going to look in my mailbox. Nope. Nope, not in the mailbox. So, let's see what we got here. Get that out of the way. Today is January 25th. January 25th, 2016. Well, the packaging has changed a little bit from all the videos I've seen on the internet. These usually are underneath here. I wonder if that's my extra battery. I'm going to have to take this clear plastic and turn that upside down so let's see what we got here. Here's the controller. Takes 6 AA batteries. Okay. Good thing I got batteries. Let's put those on there. And here it is, the Tarantula. Wow. I guess that's the plug for the camera. Man. It's very light. Very light. So let's put that right there. Turn this over and let's see what we got here. Oh. Here's the charger, and yeah, it's not the American plug, so I guess that's why they gave me this. How nice. Here's the camera. And what's interesting is it said it didn't come with the card reader. Sure enough, there it is. There's the anti-shake. Looks like it's only a 4 gig. But let's see here. Let's see what it really is. This all out. Is it already in it? No, it's not there. Not there. And it's not there. There is no memory card. Guys, no memory card. And there isn't one in this either. So I'll be sending them a letter on that. Did not send me a card. Not happy about that. It says right there, it's supposed to come with one, but there isn't one in it. It says it's a 1080p, 2 megapixel, well, 5 megapixel. Here's the instruction book. We got some propellers and a screwdriver. It's a notorious screwdriver you see in every other video, green. But I'm not seeing a video memory chip. Let's make sure it's not in here. No, it's just a bunch of screws. That must be how that charges. And it's a 1200 milliamp. I don't know if my camera's getting this or not, but it's 1200 milliamp, 30C. Looks like we even have a manufacture date, April 20th, 2015. Just ordered an extra one of those and I haven't gotten that yet either, so it looks like I'll be sending them a message. I didn't get my card and I didn't get my extra battery that I paid for. But let's look at this. It actually lists everything here. All about charging the battery. Okay, we got controls here. I guess what we're looking for is binding and all that stuff. Hyper IOC function is right there. Alright, well, I am going to send them a letter, notify them I did not get my extra battery, and there was no memory chip. I paid for that memory chip. There's no memory chip in it, so. But my next video will be of me on my first ever flight. So, stay tuned.